Welcome. Let's walk through how bulk actions work in Matidor and what you can do in each tab. To access bulk actions, start by going to All Projects. Next, expand into Table View. Bulk actions are only available here. Across the top, you'll see tabs for projects, work budget, cost, and files. Each tab supports different bulk actions. Let's start with the Projects tab. Select multiple projects using the checkboxes. This tab offers the most powerful bulk actions. Use Manage Invitations to invite guest users, like guest managers, contributors, or viewers, to all selected projects at once. With Add to Portfolio, you can add multiple projects into an existing manual portfolio in one step. Need to organize your hierarchy? Set Parent Project turns selected projects into sub-projects. Batch Update lets you update project fields in bulk. Keep values as is, set a new value, or clear the field entirely. All selected projects needs to be from the same project template to enable this option. And when projects are complete, you can archive all selected active projects at once. In the Work Budget and Cost tabs, bulk actions are focused on one thing: Batch Update. Select your rows, open Batch Update, and update fields efficiently across multiple items without editing one by one. Remember that for work, all items selected have to be from the same work template. One quick callout: the Files tab does not support bulk actions in Table View. That's how bulk actions work in Matidor: clean, powerful, and built to save you time. Thanks for watching. Tap that next video on screen to learn more and hit subscribe so you never miss what's coming next.